Hey everybody, I'm Veljko. One of my fans posted a comment on one of my videos asking, can I do a tutorial on the cruise control for the Lexus IS250 second generation? And that's what I'm gonna do today. So let's get in. And so the controls for the cruise control is located here. I believe every Lexus IS250 of second generation has it. To turn it on, you press this button here. I'll show you from other angle. As you can see, there's lots of arrows and it is a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it's so simple and you do it without thinking. But to properly demonstrate, I'm gonna go onto the road and demonstrate while I'm using it. I can't just do a tutorial standing still, so let's go. Alright, this is the perfect road for demonstration. So again, turning on, pressing this button, and you can see on the left on the instrument cluster there it says cruise, which means it's on. That's how you know it's on. So the first thing, how you set up the speed is you go to the desired speed that you want. Let's say 80 kilometers per hour. And when you, there you go, I'm driving 80 kilometers per hour. It says here set, so that's how you set it. You pull the lever down, let go of the gas, and there you go. If I want to increase it to 100 without touching the throttle, I just hold the lever up and let go when I want to stop increasing the speed. Same thing if you want to lower your cruise control speed, you just hold the minus, and by just touching the brake pedal it's gonna deactivate. So there, I touched it and the speed is lowering because it's deactivated. Pretty simple. I mean, I know there's no on the trip computer doesn't show you what current speed your cruise control is on, like many cars. This one doesn't have it, but you can just read on the speedometer, get to the speed that you want, pull the lever down to set it, and then adjust the speed as you're going. Let's do it again, but this time 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, there you go, and pull the lever down. There. Letting go of the gas, and that's done. You can also cancel it by pulling the lever towards you. You can see here it says cancel. And when I press that, now the car is slowing down because the cruise control is deactivated. To activate it again, pull it down. It's gonna stay at the speed that you were currently in. When you are done using it, just press the button, and that's all. And that's pretty much it. I know it looks hard, but once you get the hang of it, it's very simple to use. Hopefully this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more Lexus videos. Take care.